Alright, welcome back to Living Pacific Northwest, guys. Today we're going to be trying to forge weld this. I think I'm going to start by just heating it up and trying to get all the impurities out and trying to crunch it down just a little bit to get all the air out. And then I'll really start forge welding it together. At least that's the plan. I have no idea how this video is going to go. So just bear with me and hopefully it's not a failure. Let's get to it. might notice I forged off the end of the head. I think this project is coming to an end. I'm going to hit that chunk of metal a few more times and see what happens, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Cool it down probably and leave it for a future project. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, I think I'm going to chalk this one up as a fail. No matter how hard I try, I can't get this metal to stick together. I can flatten it out and put it together, but it won't stick together. I don't know if I can't get it hot enough or what, but yeah, you saw I was just flattening it out, turn it to hit the other direction, it just splits apart. Plus I'm running out of metal. This thing used to be twice this size. So I don't know. Back to the drawing board with this. Sorry this was such a short video. If there's any blacksmiths out there watching, any recommendation? I'm using borax as a forge welding lubricant and cleaner. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, guys, or don't. I might not try this again. I might. I heard you can do it with screws. Make Damascus metal out of screws. Might try that. That might be a little bit easier. Weld them all together and then just kind of hit them out. This had a lot of gaps in it. That's why I didn't think this would work. And I was right. It didn't work. I think it was too many gaps. I didn't get them close enough together to start with. Maybe I didn't clean them well enough. I don't know. I don't know. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it was so short and a learning process, I guess you could say. Oh no, it's stuck. There we go. A bit of a learning process. Hope this video helped. I don't think it did, but let me know if you like these types of videos or not. I like blacksmithing better than welding, actually. So I like doing blacksmithing videos opposed to welding videos. Welding is still fun. I'll still do welding videos, but blacksmithing is it's just fun. Something about hitting metal on metal. It's fun. Plus fire is fun too. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.